Something unbelievable is happening all around us. Machines that once belonged only in science fiction are now real. From giant robots that lift cars like toys to self-repairing drones and AI-powered construction beasts, we've entered a new mechanical age, where metal and code merge into something beyond imagination. These machines aren't the future. They're already here. Quietly, they're changing everything: industry, medicine, warfare, even life beyond Earth. Stay until the end, because what you'll see at number 1 is so advanced, it looks like it came from another planet. These are the 10 mind-blowing machines you won't believe actually exist. 10. Big Dog, the military robot animal. Imagine a robotic animal carrying supplies through mud, snow, and rubble. Never tiring, never complaining. Meet Big Dog, the 4-legged robot from Boston Dynamics, designed for the US military. It moves like a living creature, using powerful hydraulic legs to run, jump, and stabilize on ice or uneven terrain. Each limb reacts in milliseconds, keeping balance even when kicked or shoved. It can carry 180 kilograms of cargo, automatically follow soldiers, and cross places no vehicle could ever reach. Big Dog was humanity's first real step into bio-inspired robotics, a machine that didn't just move, but walked like it was alive. When soldiers first saw it march through the mud, jaws dropped, because for the first time, it felt like technology itself had grown legs. And while Big Dog roamed the battlefield, another metal giant began digging beneath our cities. 9. Bertha, the giant tunnel. Boring machine. Deep underground, mechanical titans reshape the world we live on. The largest of them all is Bertha, a tunnel boring machine so enormous it could swallow a 5-story building whole. Built in Japan and used in Seattle, Bertha weighs more than 7,000 tons and stretches over 100 meters long. Its massive rotating cutter head chews through solid rock, sand, and clay, carving tunnels for subways, pipelines, and highways. Inside, it's like a moving city. Engineers walk through corridors of hydraulic pistons, control rooms, and conveyor belts hauling tons of debris every minute. Bertha can dig a kilometer of tunnel in just 2 weeks, leaving behind a smooth, finished wall as it moves forward. Above ground, no one hears a thing. But below, a steel monster is silently eating through the earth, one revolution at a time. And while Bertha reshapes what's under our feet, another invention is preparing to reshape the sky. 8. Xpeng X2, the flying car. Yes, the flying car is finally real. Built by Xpeng Aero HT, the X2 is an electric 2-seater that drives like a car and takes off like a drone. It uses 8 electric propellers, can reach 130 kilometers per hour, and fly for 35 minutes on a single charge. The cockpit is controlled entirely by touchscreen. No pedals, no steering wheel. Made from lightweight carbon fiber, it's both futuristic and silent. The X2 has already completed successful test flights over Dubai, with China planning commercial use by 2026. For decades, flying cars lived only in dreams and movies. Now they're reality, smooth, electric, and hovering above traffic jams. The age of airborne commuting has begun, but while Xpeng took to the skies, Japan built a machine that reaches higher than any skyline. 7. Shimizu Mega Crane, the Sky Builder. Japan's Shimizu Mega Crane looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, a construction machine taller than most skyscrapers. Standing over 250 meters, this robotic crane lifts entire building modules, walls, floors, even furniture, stacking them with millimeter precision. Its AI-guided sensors analyze wind speed, vibration, and load tension hundreds of times per second, automatically stabilizing even under heavy storms. It can build skyscrapers in months instead of years, transforming city construction into an industrial symphony of steel. Engineers say it feels like watching a machine play Tetris with buildings. The Mega Crane has redefined construction, safer, faster, and smarter. And while Japan's Titan builds upward, Germany's engineers are proving that sometimes smaller is smarter. 6. The Bionic Ant Swarm. What if hundreds of tiny robots could think and move as one? Engineers at Festo have done exactly that, creating the Bionic Ant Swarm, inspired by nature's most organized creatures. Each robotic ant has its own processor, camera, and communication link. They scan their surroundings, share data wirelessly, and collaborate to move objects, build structures, and solve problems together, like neurons in a single brain. If one fails, the others adapt instantly. It's not a single robot. It's a digital colony. This swarm technology could soon revolutionize everything from warehouse automation to space exploration. Imagine hundreds of robotic ants assembling satellites in orbit or repairing spacecraft mid-flight. Festo's creation shows us that the future of robotics might not be giant machines, but millions of small minds thinking as one. And if swarms represent cooperation, the next machine represents raw power. 5. Caterpillar autonomous mining truck. In the deserts of Australia, mechanical giants roam the landscape, each the size of a 2-story house with no driver inside. These are Caterpillar's autonomous haul trucks, fully robotic vehicles designed to move hundreds of tons of ore across rugged terrain. They navigate using LiDAR, radar, and satellite GPS, coordinating like a fleet of self-driving trucks. They never crash, never sleep, never stop. The result: 30% higher productivity and drastically lower costs. A single human operator sitting thousands of kilometers away can oversee dozens of these trucks with a tablet. They communicate, plan routes, and even refuel themselves. It's the dawn of a mining revolution, machines harvesting the planet while humans simply supervise. And when those same humans need rescuing, another machine is ready to enter where no one else dares. 4. Colossus, the firefighting robot. When fire turns deadly, Colossus moves in. Built in France, this tracked firefighting robot is designed to go where no human can survive. Armored against 800-degree ice heat, Colossus carries water cannons, infrared cameras, and oxygen supplies. It can pull vehicles, move debris, and blast water through collapsed tunnels. During the Notre Dame Cathedral fire, Colossus rolled straight into the inferno, saving lives and helping stop the collapse of one of history's greatest landmarks. It doesn't flinch, it doesn't tire, it just goes in. For firefighters, it's not a machine, it's a partner. And while Colossus saves lives, another robot on the other side of the world is building them. 3. Hadrian X, the robot bricklayer. Meet Hadrian X, a machine that builds houses faster than entire human crews. Created by the Australian company Fast Brick Robotics, it's the world's first fully automated bricklaying robot. Its telescopic arm stretches 30 meters, guided by laser systems that measure every brick's position with surgical precision. Hadrian can lay 1,000 bricks per hour, building a full house in just 2 days. It doesn't take breaks, it doesn't make mistakes, and every wall is built straighter and stronger than human hands could manage. Hadrian is redefining construction, one perfect line at a time. And while it shapes our homes, China is already shaping something else entirely: our companions. 2. Cyberdog 2, the robotic pet of the future. Straight from the future comes Cyberdog 2, the 4-legged creation from Xiaomi that looks like it walked out of a sci-fi movie. It runs, jumps, and even dances, powered by NVIDIA's AI chips and a network of sensors that detect faces, voices, and emotions. Weighing only 8.9 kilograms, it performs backflips, maps rooms in 3D, and avoids obstacles with agility that rivals real animals. But the most impressive feature is its open-source brain. Developers around the world can program new skills, making Cyberdog a security bot, assistant, or loyal companion. It's not just a toy. It's the beginning of a world where robotic pets learn, evolve, and live beside us. And if that sounds futuristic, wait until you see what's happening in Shenzhen, where machines are no longer just tools. They're creators. 1. The AI robot that builds other robots. This is where the line between creation and creator disappears. In a secret laboratory in Shenzhen, engineers have built a fully autonomous robot factory where AI systems design, assemble, and test new robots, all without human hands. These machines use neural networks to analyze performance data, redesign blueprints, and 3D print components in real time. Every generation they produce is smarter, faster, and more efficient than the last. It's the world's first example of robots building robots, a system capable of evolving without direct human control. Scientists call it the dawn of self-improving intelligence. Today, it's making robotic arms and drones. Tomorrow, who knows? Machines that invent, repair, and replicate themselves. Forever. It's the first true glimpse of technological singularity, the moment when humanity is no longer the smartest creator on Earth. From tunneling giants and robotic ants to self-replicating factories, these inventions prove one thing. We have entered the mechanical age of miracles. Every one of them pushes the limits of imagination, blurring the line between science and science fiction. The question is no longer can we build such machines, but should we? Because these creations aren't just changing industries, they're changing what it means to be human. The future will not be built by hand. It will be printed, programmed, and self-replicated. The next revolution won't come from evolution, but from invention. Which of these machines amazed you the most? Would you dare to live in a world built and maintained by robots? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing discoveries shaping the world of tomorrow. Because once you've seen what's coming, it's impossible to unsee the future.